Hi, I'm Phil from Woodsmith. When I'm building projects, the part that I really want to show off are tabletops or cabinet tops. However, there are some times when I'm using something like this ash or even oak, when I get a smooth surface on it, it's not as smooth as I want. The open grain structure creates an uneven surface no matter how much I sand it. But if I want a surface that I can write on or be glass smooth, there's an easy way to do that. What I'm going to do is mix up a batch of Durham's water putty. I'm going to make it a little soupier than I normally do, and then I'm going to spread it on the entire surface with a putty knife. Once that dries, I can sand it down smooth and have a rock hard, smooth surface that's great for writing on, and it'll be the showpiece that you really want. The primary reason that I'm using more water when I mix up the water putty is to be able to work it into the grain of my top panel. So I'm going to use the putty knife and work in long strokes down the length and then across the grain, making sure to get the putty into all of those pores and holes and whatever that you might find on the top of your project. Now, once everything is dry, I used a random orbit sander going across the entire panel, removing all of the excess dried water putty. What I have is a glass smooth surface. At this point, the top is ready for a couple of coats of clear finish. Now just keep in mind that once Durham's is dry, you can't apply stain. It won't be accepted into the putty. But what I can do is wipe on a couple of coats of finish, building up a nice sheen. And then this top is ready for writing, crafting, dining, and more.